Plaque from the Pancer Viaduct. The Pancer Viaduct was a viaduct in Warsaw joining Castle Square to the Kierbczia Bridge. It was built in 1846, and demolished in 1944 and was replaced by the Route WZ thoroughfare. It was designed by Felix Pancer and constructed with 7 arched vaults made of brick, supported by 6 pillars and 2 abutments. Initially, New Congress Street, Ulica Nowy Zjazd, allowed travel from Castle Square to Dober Street along the viaduct. The street had the shape of the letter J, reaching the Vistula, and then turning back sharply and steeply towards Dober Street. After the construction of the Alexander Bridge, commonly called the Kierbczia Bridge, in 1864, New Congress Street running over the Pancer Viaduct became the main artery leading from the left bank of Warsaw to Praga on the right bank. Initially it was a horse-drawn tram line belonging to the railway, which was built to connect the Praga broad gauge line to the standard gauge of the Warsaw-Vienna line. The original plans for the Kierbczia Bridge included a rail line to perform this function, but the rail part of this plan was abandoned. Retreating German troops blew up the penultimate pillar, causing 2 adjacent spans to collapse. After the war, there were plans to rebuild the viaduct, but they were abandoned because the significant increase in pedestrian and automobile traffic would have been dangerous for Castle Square and the Old Town. The only surviving part of the viaduct is a plaque commemorating its construction. It can be found in Castle Square, next to fragments of previous versions of Sigismund S. Column.